Imagine stepping into a professional kitchen, where expert chefs effortlessly whip up gourmet meals on a state-of-the-art appliance. Now, picture yourself in a similar setting, in your own home, with the Summit Appliance TNM2107BRW 30-inch wide slide-in style gas range. This revolutionary kitchen powerhouse is about to change the way you approach cooking. In today's review, we'll delve into its impressive design, feature-rich capabilities, and real-world performance to see if it indeed brings the heat. Over the past few years, home cooks have been demanding more from their appliances. They want sleek designs that blend seamlessly into stylish kitchens, reliable functionality, and ease of use. Moreover, homeowners are no longer just content with basic features. They crave innovation and technology that enhances their cooking experience. But is the Summit Appliance TNM2107BRW the solution to these demands? The moment you lay eyes on the Summit Appliance TNM2107BRW, you'll appreciate its modern design and premium build quality. Measuring 30 inches wide, 24 inches deep, and 36 inches tall, this slide-in style gas range boasts a commanding presence in any kitchen. Note the slight recessed oven door, a design consideration that sets it apart from its competitors, providing that extra bit of space savings for kitchen remodeling projects. With its stainless steel doors and sleek towel bar handles, this appliance exudes a level of professionalism that makes it perfect for showcasing your culinary skills. When you step closer, you'll find the two wire racks that come standard, both equipped with safety brakes to prevent accidents. These versatile racks offer several glide positions to suit various cooking sizes, allowing maximum flexibility when working with pots and pans of different diameters. The push-to-turn knobs represent a significant safety improvement over traditional knobs, providing easier access and eliminating the need to stretch over hot surfaces. We appreciate the practical consideration here. So, let's dive deeper into the features that truly set this gas range apart. The Summit Appliance TNM2107BRW comes with an open burners design, a traditional gas range feature that is both efficient and easy to use. The burner settings are also adjustable, which is beneficial when trying out different cooking techniques. Moving on to the oven, the window offers a clear view of your dishes as they cook, making it perfect for keeping an eye on roasted vegetables or browning meats. Moreover, two adjustable oven racks provide ample space for multiple dishes, taking the stress out of juggling various cooking tasks. But how does it perform in real-world cooking situations? Let's put this appliance through its paces. Picture a busy Sunday morning, where you need to cook a hearty breakfast for the whole family. The Summit Appliance TNM2107BRW delivers swift heating, thanks to its robust 20,000 BTU gas burners, which quickly get the wok hot for a delicious stir-fry. You'll appreciate the instant temperature control, which lets you manage the heat with precision. Furthermore, this appliance's even heat distribution ensures that your dishes are cooked consistently, reducing the risk of overcooking or undercooking. Next, imagine hosting a dinner party and needing to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. The adjustable oven racks and spacious interior of the Summit Appliance TNM2107BRW make it easy to manage various cooking tasks, from baking a cake to cooking perfect roasted vegetables. And when you need to sear meat to perfection, the electric ignition system ensures reliable and safe ignition, reducing the risk of accidents in the heat of the moment. As with any appliance, there are pros and cons to consider. While the Summit Appliance TNM2107BRW offers a wide range of features, it's worth noting that it does take up more kitchen space due to its 24-inch depth. If you're working with a tight kitchen layout, this appliance might require a bit more planning to ensure a seamless installation. Compared to other slide-in style gas ranges, the Summit Appliance TNM2107BRW stands out with its combination of innovative design, robust performance, and premium build quality. Though other brands may match or surpass its features, this appliance's superior craftsmanship, sleek design, and extensive feature set make it a solid contender in the high-end kitchen appliance market. In this comprehensive review, we've explored the Summit Appliance TNM2107BRW's impressive design, feature-rich capabilities, and real-world performance. If you're in a market for a high-end kitchen gas range that offers sleek design, reliable performance, and innovative features, this Summit Appliance TNM2107BRW is an excellent choice. Don't settle for anything less. Elevate your cooking experience with the Summit Appliance TNM2107BRW.